This video is to appreciate and take our hat off to Mr. Logan Phillips.
The last 4 years, we have changed the face of Oklahoma. From raising awareness to mental health to expansion of infrastructure and broadband, we are working to grow our communities.
You know, one of the bills that one of the initiatives that he's in charge of is this broadband expansion. This is great. This is really great stuff. Love the broadband expansion. Hats off to Logan for working his tail off on this deal. I get that, and I just wanted to personally tell my opponent thank you for heading that up. Additionally, I believe he was involved in this robocall, trying to reduce these robocalls, which we're all tired of. Logan Phillips, thank you for heading that up. You know, there's a lot of work that goes in the Capitol. I'm starting to understand that more and more each day. I want to be real clear that my incumbent has done a lot of good in the state of Oklahoma, and he served this state, and we need to remember that. Oklahomans voted him in. But my opponent done a lot of good in the state capitol.